later. Bye-bye. Bye. Woo! Chat. No, I'm still here. I'm still here. Can't run away yet. What's up? I'm looking for someone. Wait time? I'm trying to see. Who will we raid? Thought we were finally free. I don't know. Who can I raid? It'll be awkward if I'm sitting here deciding and I just decide not to raid anyone. That's sorry, this is so cringe. Chat, this is why we need to stop doing this. We need to stop. Like, I know I do this every time, but can we like not do this anymore? Also, whoever I raid, if they check this VOD, I'm sorry. You're the one who did it. It's fucking Saturday. Do what? Do this. Go check out Zumi's. She's playing Frog Ratchet. It makes me have fun.
4 squad. Wait, we have a raid! Everyone, places, shit! Places, shit, places! How you doing, raiders? You come here often. The SS Isa. How you doing? What's up? I'm Zumi Dokumi from EIEN Projects. Wait, there's a boat. Wait, you guys are on a boat? Wait, why the fuck do we have a boat? That pulls. When are we getting a boat? They have a fucking boat. Chat, they have a fuck. How can I compete with? They have a fucking boat. Wait, the streamer is a boat. Wait, she's a boat. Wait. Chat, immediately pull this up. Mods, can you pin? Can you pin? Wait, there's a boat. Pardon me. One sec. I need a moment. SS. Pardon me. It's not every day you hear this. Holy shit. Not only is she a boat VTuber, chat. Between you and me. Between you and me, chat. She's kinda hot. Let's fucking go. Let's go. Go check her out. You dummies. Thanks for the raid. I hope you had a good stream. I totally didn't call you hot and then look at your Twitter. That would be weird. That would be very uncorpo of me. Oh, there you are, Blue Wrench. Blue Wrench. I'm about to Blue Wrench the shit out of you. Here you go. Mwah. Thank you so much. Welcome. How you doing? Help. Don't worry. Don't stress. It's all good. What were you doing? Let me see. Let me stalk you. You want to be stalked by a frog today? Don't damn, that's crazy to me. What were you doing? I hope you had a good time. Holy shit. Wait, will you play against chat? If you hear me listening to her, no, you don't.
Oh god. Okay. Here we go.
Is this Hazen?
I can see you. Don't speed up. Stop it. Nah, I think that you should just play slowly and
Aw, she's cute, chat. I subscribe, and you should too. Dummies. Aw, you're cute. I like you. This is not Hazen. I'm just weird. This is basic Zumi experience. She is cute. Nah, go follow her, dumbasses. Now. Check out her covers. Wait, she's yeah, because it said singing boat singer. Yeah, wait, singing boat singer. I can talk. I promise. Listen, chat says I'm ESL because of the Boston accent, so you know, I'm just gonna blame it on that as per usual. Check out her shorts. Oh, she got shorts. 1 second. What should I check out? Oh, Soldier, Poet, and King.
There will come a soldier who carries a mighty sword. He will tear your city down. Olay, olay, oh Lord. Olay, 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 oh Lord. He will tear your city down. Olay, olay. Oh.
Sorry, I didn't mean to pog. Didn't mean to pog on main. I apologize. Wait, is that a Zenus?
I feel like it's more important for like guys to wash your hands. It's more important for a guy to wash their hands thoroughly because like you grope your dick when you pee.
True.
Like, and then like if you're gonna go shake someone's hand after, there's like the dick fluid on your hand. Okay.
Dick fluid.
No one
Correct.
does that. Do you not like you have to aim it? You just let it. I'm gonna pull up paint for this. You're telling me?
Oh, we got a diagram,
It's
chat.
just like this?
We got a diagram. You know I love diagrams.
What? Are you saying it's more like this?
Oh my god, bro.
Oh, hell no, man. What
The balls Okay, so like this. Okay, that kind of makes sense. So you don't wait,
No,
I
that's
literally
fucked.
thought
No way they're
everyone
pissing like that.
time-
They're grabbing
Was
that
like-
shit. Don't let them lie to you. Don't let them lie to you. They're grabbing that shit. They're
I feel
not
like it's more
flashing pissing.
important-
There's no fucking way. There's no fucking way. That's a liar right there. Holy shit. Do you got one? I don't know. Let me check. Nah, not right now. Maybe later. How you doing? How you doing? Thank you so much for the I went off on a fucking tangent. Jesus Christ. Listen, I heard boat VTuber. And there's something I enjoy. And it is boats and VTubers. She went right for my heart, chat. I don't know what to do. I think it's getting serious. Some people could just aim. What? Frog? I did not violate the boat. Alright, your boat is just fine. Alright? That's a beautiful boat right there. Well, I had to try. I hope you had a good stream, though, honest. That wasn't Hazen. I hope that you're alright. I didn't mean to embarrass you. You're very cute. You make good content. I'm gonna keep my eye out on you, okay? Oh, she gave me a mwah! That's cute. Why?
Fuck my life. So fucking awkward. Where. What do I do? Big content.
This is awful. This is awful.